Hey guys, Thomas Tallon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to walk you through one of my newest brokerage listings. This is a 2021 Yamaha 210 FSH Sport. Beautiful boat, guys. We sold this boat new, one owner boat, and give you a little walkthrough on it. It's got the blue whole side color. You'll see it also has this aluminum trailer that comes with it. You'll see the nav lights up on the front. Pop-out cleats throughout the whole boat. Nice black rub rail with the stainless insert. Again, guys, boat's in great condition. Taking a look at the back here, you'll see the big open swim platform, which is pretty standard for Yamahas. He also added these underwater lights that were not standard. Bear with me as I climb aboard. All right, guys, welcome aboard. You'll see all the upholstery is in great shape. All the snap-in flooring looks great on this boat. Plenty of storage throughout. Of course, you saw the outside upgraded lights. On the interior, he has changed out all the speakers to JL audio and added a Fusion head unit. Phenomenal boat, guys. Battery compartment with twin batteries. Reversible seat. And again, guys, taking a look at the helm. Low hours boat, guys. 36 hours. He added the Simrad JL audio. Fusion head unit with JL audio speakers throughout. For more information, please give me a call on my cell, 864-350-0145. This boat is not kept on the property, so to see it, you would need to schedule an appointment with me. Low hour boat, guys, 36 hours, a lot of nice, tasteful upgrades, and it comes with the cover. Please give me a call if you have any questions. Thank you for viewing, and have a great day.